In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create approval tasks in Asana. If you've ever waited too long for feedback or a sign-off, you'll love how approval tasks can streamline the process. These special tasks make it simple to get quick responses and decisions on your projects, helping to keep everything on track and efficient. Let's get started. The first step is to head over to the project in Asana where you want to add approval tasks. As you navigate to your project, keep an eye out for the Add Task button. You'll find it conveniently located at the top left of your screen. Right next to this button, there's a small caret icon, essentially a little arrow. Go ahead and click on that arrow, and you'll notice a menu appear with an option labeled Approval. Clicking on this option will transform your standard task into an approval task, integrating it seamlessly into your project workflow. Once you've added your approval task, it's important to give it a clear and descriptive title. This ensures that everyone involved knows precisely what decision or feedback is required, which minimizes confusion and enhances productivity. Think of it as providing a roadmap for clarity. Now, you might be wondering how an approval task differs from a regular task in Asana. The key distinction lies in the status options. While regular tasks simply have complete or incomplete as their status markers, approval tasks come with more nuanced choices. You'll see options like pending, approved, changes requested, or rejected. This spectrum of statuses provides a greater level of detail, making it easier for your team to comprehend the task's exact status. It reduces confusion and helps accelerate decision-making, allowing for more effective project management. Here's a quick tip. Make it a habit to regularly check the status of approval tasks. By acting quickly on requests for changes or addressing rejections as they arise, you can maintain momentum and keep your projects moving forward efficiently. This proactive approach prevents bottlenecks and keeps the entire team aligned and focused. Approval tasks are particularly valuable when multiple stakeholders are involved. They offer a level of transparency and structure in the feedback process that's essential for collaborative environments, ensuring everyone is on the same page and communication flows smoothly. To wrap up, approval tasks in Asana are a powerful tool to simplify communication, avoid bottlenecks, and keep everyone aligned. The next time you need a sign-off or a quick thumbs up, try adding an approval task to your workflow. It might just be the enhancement your team needs to boost productivity and streamline project execution. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Asana tips. Happy task managing!